Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, sixth class. How are you all? I hope that you are all fine and enjoying good health. Sixth class, today we are going to do the bookwork of English Progressive Unit 1. So for that you have to open your book at page number 8. Open page number 8. Vocabulary, match the definitions on the right to the words from the text on the left. So there are some words given here. On the right side we are going to match them with their definitions which are here on the left side. So let's start. Eager, keen. Eager, keen. Deforestation, cutting down of trees. Commotion, disturbance. Crafty, cunning. Condemned, said it was wrong. Sedative, drug which causes sleepiness. Eager, keen. Deforestation, cutting down of trees. Commotion, disturbance. Crafty, cunning. Condemned, said it was wrong. Sedative, drug which causes sleep. Next, open page number 16. Connectives. A connective is a word or phrase which links clauses or sentences. A connective is a word or phrase which links clauses or sentences. A connective can be a conjunction such as but and because. A connective adverb or adverbial phrase such as however, on the other hand. What is conjunction? A conjunction joins clauses within a sentence. Connective is a word or phrase which links different clauses or sentences, and a conjunction joins clauses within a sentence. So let's do the bookwork. Open page number 17 now. Writing task. In the sentences below, fill in the gaps with conjunctions and connectives are directed. Choose from the conjunction and but because. Remember that conjunctions link clauses within a sentence. Choose from the connectives in the box above. Remember that a connective links two separate sentences. Remember the comma after the connectives. Check your full stops. So we have to fill these blanks, gaps, by keeping these instructions in mind. So let's start. Before you start, study this example. I don't think Irfan would like to stay with Mr. and Mrs. Davidson. Add conjunction here. Because David is interested in singing and Irfan is not. Moreover, 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 मज़ीद ये कि Irfan would be lonely because David has no siblings and he would miss his little sisters. Furthermore, Irfan likes playing cricket but David likes to read. Next page, page number 18. Now fill in the gaps as directed. First one, Monaiza did very badly in her math exam. Add connective here, as she failed her history exam because she did not do any serious revision. Monaiza did very badly in her math exam as she failed her history exam because she did not do any serious revision. Second one, first add connective here. Furthermore, before I begin my talk, I want to say how delighted I am to be here today. Delighted hush. I am to be here. Third one, we went on the Dodgems, the big ride. Dodgem mini electric motor car, the water slide and the ghost train. Although, add connective here, although we had a great time, but I wish we could have stayed even longer. We went on the Dodgems, the big ride, the water slide and the ghost train. Although we had a great time, but I wish we could have stayed even longer. Fourth one, you have let yourself and your class down as you have disappointed your parents and your teachers. You are now going to repeat the year because you have failed the end of the exam. Fifth one, add connective here first. Anyhow, I repeat the message of everything I have said to you this evening. If you want to succeed in life, you must try hard and you must work hard. Do this book. Next, open page number 24. House and home. What is the difference between house and home? A house is something you can touch and see, it is the building itself, and a home is something you can't touch or see, it is the center of family, the place to which you belong. Writing task. House or home. Out the following sentences, fill in the gaps with the correct word. First one, the dash is very old and is falling down. The house is very old and is falling down. Second one, a dash, we always get up at 6 o'clock. At home, we always get up at 6 o'clock. Third one, I must go dash now, said Tahira. I'll be in trouble if I am late. I must go home now, said Tahira. I will be in trouble if I am late. Fourth one, the window panes in the house were made of beautiful colored glass. The window panes in the house were made of beautiful colored glass. Fifth one, the dash is ugly but we are happy and feel at dash in it. The house is ugly but we are happy and feel at home in it. Get out of my dash, Hanif shouted at the thief. Get out of my house, Hanif shouted at the thief. Okay, do this book work of Unit 1 of English Progressive and learn it as well. You will also have to memorize the definition of connective and conjunction. Allah Hafiz, 6th class. Stay blessed and stay happy.